Hey, Bruce here with the 5-Minute Handyman. We're putting in some click-together bamboo flooring and want to show you the process that we use when we cut around door frames. So let me show you some of the hardware and we'll talk about it. So what we're doing is I've gotten this hallway trimmed out, and what we need to do is we need to cut along the bottom of the door frame so that the wood goes underneath here. The expansion space that we have here, what we're going to do is we're going to take some quarter round and put over it like this, so that we don't have any openings down to the subfloor underlayment. And so let me show you how we're going to do that on this door frame here. So we're going to have our flooring come up, and it needs to go underneath this section and this section here, so that the flooring will end up close to this threshold. We're going to have a space back here for expansion, and as I showed before, we're going to cover that with quarter round. But what we need to do is we need to trim underneath this door frame in order for the wood to go under here. And so what I'm going to do that trimming is I'll use my oscillator tool, and in order to get the right thickness, I'll take this underlayment that we put down over the whole floor, and I'm going to double that thickness and then put it underneath a piece of the flooring. And so what I'll do then is take my blade, put it right over this, and then just cut through. So let me show you what that looks like. And we'll just move it over to the side so we can get everything evenly cut out. Okay, so what we'll do here is just pull this wood that I just cut off out of the way. And so now, once we get that cleaned out, we'll vacuum that, and then when we put our single layer of underlayment down, and our wood is going to go underneath, and it'll provide a nice clean transition. And so we do that with all of the door frames, and then we can start laying out our pieces of wood for this click together tongue and groove flooring. So thanks for watching. This is Bruce with the 5-Minute Handyman. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And if you would like to see other types of home improvement processes, just let me know. Thanks for watching.